buddy, little porcupine. And this right here is where I'm sitting. And hopefully we get to see a deer tonight come out in here. So basically, once again, sitting on the edge of a coulee. I'm down a little bit lower. I'm hoping that these deer are sticking to the bottom and making their way up. So I'm about halfway up the coulee. Right here's the field right in front of me, about 400 yards up. That's kind of where they're trying to get to. So hopefully they're going to be coming up through here. I've seen them come up through here quite a few times. I've seen a couple decent bucks, but I think at this point, for reasons I'm not going to get into, I'm pretty much going to shoot whatever deer walks through this little coulee here tonight if it has horns on it. So, well, I should take that back. If it's 120 inches or above, because I'm not going to drag a little 2x2 out of here. So anyways, that's what we got going on. I got my little buddy down there. He's checking out the bottom for me, hanging out in a tree. And we're just going to sit here for a night. We got a nice wind pushing up out of the northwest for us. And I think tonight might be a pretty decent night for sitting, even if we don't see some deer. Last night got pretty gnarly. Wind was blowing, snow was flying, you couldn't see anything, so I opted just to head her home early. And as luck would have it, even though the forecast didn't say it, it cleared up perfectly about an hour before dark, so definitely could have went and sat somewhere and seen something possibly. But here we are today. I didn't get to hunt for most of the day. I finally just got sat down. It's 3 o'clock. And we're just going to see if anything comes busting through here. We should be starting to see deer chasing. Should be starting to see some rut movement. So who knows, maybe one will chase it through here. And we might get a shot. So stay tuned. We got about 5 more days of hunting left. I know my cousin just shot one. I'll show a picture of him on here. His deer, he was with his son, so that's pretty awesome. And we're just gonna sit here and be quiet now. Something comes cruising up through here. I'll talk to you guys here in a bit. Well, that was pretty interesting. I had them 4 moose come up, and they decided to come within 10 yards of me. So it's pretty cool. I'm definitely seeing a lot more moose and mule deer than I am seeing whitetail, but I think at this point mule deer will go down if it comes by me. So yeah, pretty cool experience. So I'll show you guys a video here in just a second, but for right now I'm going to put my hands back in my gloves and I'm going to sit here and wait and see if something comes rolling by. I'll talk to you guys here in a bit. Alright, what's up guys? We're out here deer hunting. We got con-cons the weekend and we've seen a pretty decent amount of deer this morning. Seen one pretty good sized buck at about 500 yards. So we've been kind of pushing these coulees over, seeing if he'll run down them. But he quite possibly is out of this area by now. He might have booked her a little further than what we thought, but we're going to give her a chance. See if he comes shooting down this coulee. Besides that, it's nice and frosty this morning, huh?
Yeah.
Building some ice. Getting us ready for some ice fishing once this deer hunting's done with. But, no, we've seen quite a few deer this morning. Nice and cold. I think it's 5 degrees, so we're just going to see what happens, right, Con-Con?
Yeah, I hope we see a big one.
Yeah.
Again.
So, had a mule deer at about 70 yards standing this morning. Almost shot him just to fill the tag up for the year. But we're going to see what happens today. Hopefully we can get at least one deer on the ground. See how it goes. We'll talk to you here in a bit, guys. There's the con artist. We're gonna get one here now. Okay. There's where they should be coming from. Well, we're sitting in a spot that we've hunted a lot of times. I've killed 2 deer out here with my bow. And last year, we seen about a 180-inch buck come out of here, headed at about 100 yards. But we pulled at our bow, so there was no shot on it. But I mean, that's not saying that there'll be that size of deer out here today. But we have been putting the spotting scope in there, and we've seen a couple that were 140 inches, and one that was 130. So if they're in there and they come busting out here, which is usually the way that they go, we should have a nice shot at them. So let's see what happens, right, Con-Con? Yeah. Alright guys, we'll talk to you here in a bit. Look at right there, Con-Con. Well, guys, me and the con man here got her done today. Got ourselves a nice little buck. We're gonna be getting her cut up tonight. After we got some other stuff we gotta do, we'll get her cut up. Probably tomorrow night we're gonna have some back straps, make the rest into sausage, which is key for overnight ice fishing. So 2022 rifle season done with. Right, Con-Con?
Yeah.
Little man here, he walked about 4 miles today trying to get a deer pushed past me. And finally I pulled the trigger, got her done. So the day is done, hunting's done. Not fully done, we still got our bow tags. He has a bow tag, and we got our turkey tags. But mainly going to be trying to get her going fishing, because by the time I leave for 2 weeks and by the time I get back, we will be getting on some ice fishing. So alright, thanks guys. If you guys like the content of this video and you guys aren't subscribed yet, push the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. Sorry I didn't get a whole lot of
video of me shooting the deer or anything like that. I just don't have the camera for that or anything, which I plan to get in the future, but not right now. But anyways, you guys have a good day. If you haven't gotten your deer yet this year, good luck. Everybody be safe. I'll talk to you guys later.